But yeah guys, we're there here, a Cameron Family HQ, a YouTuber link up, we're there here. One, a lot of fun there here.
Yeah man, the peeps, you know, we outside like all the time, but they are YouTuber link up on boat race and think they are Cameron Family TV right now. And some fish more right now, we got some price fish now, you know. So we are great half-grade adventures there, so
Big adventures we're out here. You see me I said, Jamaica adventure, you know, tropical under behind the camera.
only for YouTuber.
Big up on yourself,
Yeah, man.
and just remember like, share and subscribe.
One love always, yeah man. So you call and split over there, so they go and take him in there.
Yeah man, people, so they are with...
Yeah, man. Pick up yourself, Kirky.
Yeah man,
Pick up on yourself.
yeah man.
Yeah. Big up yourself, tropical hunter.
Yeah, man. You don't know, one Kirky out there living and one Bushy Park. You don't know, go. I love our unity. Yo,
Yeah.
people go there, support him man, and like and subscribe. Yeah, man. Real. That's it.
Yeah.
The people, yeah, on the beach side, you see me? Yeah man, they are taking the boat racing, the whole block of them out. One team, one family, you see me? Yeah man, that's how we do it, man. I just say go, you know, people, just... Now I'm setting no cussing, no fighting, the whole family out, see there? The whole team them there go and enjoy themselves.
You know man, straight call them.
You don't know, you go already, you know. But good look. So also look more niceness. DJ Destiny back at camera going normal out as usual. See there? So watching the people just stay tuned, you know. You know it's a niceness to come, you see me? See the people? You know it's a link up, you know, people. One family, one team, you see me? That's how we do it, you know, people. You know we're ready. Okay, up on the beach side, yeah, boat racing. I go and chill out with the whole family. It's a good look. The big boss over there saying car go and normal out. Yeah man, see there. That's how we do it now people. You don't know the thing already, you know. No cussing, no fighting, just enjoyment. The team with the link up or just link up.
Yeah man, no, you know, you attack them again.
So yeah guys, Debian the here. I don't know Debian, he's there behind the camera peeps. That's it. Yeah, boat race. And look, you know. Walk on the beach. Adventures out there. Yeah. Oh, you can see land out in the water. You can see right here where crocodile walk. See a flat out guys. Yeah. Look at it. Yeah guys, you can see that bird out there. On hunting to look fish eat. So inch up underneath the tree roots. Yes guys, I'll get a peek. Gone. You can see that mosquito bite me. So mosquito them terrible in that place. Yeah. We really terrible. Yeah. The turkey was really fall wildlife big up. Yo. No? It's a bird that fly up. One bird up on the hunting too, you know. Look where man catch. Where you say your YouTube name again? Half grade. Look where you catch. Catch a stingray.
Yeah. First catches a stingray.
Don't make him wet here. See him guys. So yes, my subscriber, big up on yourself and my viewers. You can just go over to Half-Grade Adventures, subscribe and like and share and comment. Really there, just walking. Not a fishing stick. Just there walking. There are a lot of mosquito bite and can't take a mosquito bite down. Yeah. Adventures and Half-Grade Adventures is fishing. bush